people were hating. They were saying we were never gonna finish the Jeep build. I gave up on the Jeep. The Jeep Overland build is never gonna happen. And the problem with all these haters is they didn't think about how financially irresponsible I am and that I'll bankrupt myself just to finish this thing and prove you all wrong. So the day has finally come. The Jeep Overland build is back from paint. So without further ado, here is the color reveal on my 1984 Jeep Grand Wagoneer. Alright guys, so we ended up going with, this is basically a metallic gray, is what this color is actually called. We went a little bit darker than we originally thought we were going to, but it turned out pretty stinking cool. This drives me crazy to do a video like this because obviously it is very far from being done, but I know everyone's waiting to see kind of the color and they're dying to see, like, get an update on this thing. So against what I wanted to do, we're gonna show you guys the color and everything, but we are very far from being done with this. If you guys remember, since it's been so long we've been doing the videos on this, had to do a ton of body work on this thing in addition to just the color of actually getting it painted. And that was the big holdup. For example, we had to do brand new fenders on both sides, so those are replaced. The tailgate is also new. It's new to me. I picked it up in Long Island, but this is all new. Had to get fully prepped and redone as well. And then additionally, both of the fenders up front are also brand new. So all the fenders were rusted out, the tailgate was rusted out, and then the doors and everything was rusted out. So that's all brand new, which is part of what took so stinking long with this thing. And then the paint took a week. It took them 1 week to paint this whole thing. The rest of it was all prep and body work. We also have parts that are inside here that you can see are all color matched, like the window frames, the rear panel for this, and taillights and stuff like that we don't have on yet because it literally just got back like a week ago, and then I flew in a couple days ago just to film this reveal and get it ready to get shipped. Which brings me to our next point here. We have all these other parts, which I have shown in videos, but we're gonna kind of throw it in this one just so you guys can see. Like, these are the seats that go on the front out of the Wrangler Rubicon. We got the rear seats that are going in, consoles, grills, lift kits provided by Skyjacker Suspensions. We got separate reservoir shocks here that have to go on this thing. All these different components that are gonna go on, and they are gonna get put on in Colorado. So obviously I didn't expect to be moved and to be, not living here anymore in New York. So all this, as well as the Jeep, is gonna go to Colorado, which brings us to what we're gonna be doing today. Today, what we're gonna do is we're gonna get this thing running and driving against our better judgment because it's incredibly sketchy. And we're gonna take it out for you guys, kind of show how it runs and everything before it gets put in storage in the barn. And it's gonna sit there, unfortunately, until it gets shipped to Colorado. And then we will get this thing wrapped up here, hopefully by the spring, summertime. This is the driver.
Liam.
This is the driver's side seat. That's the driver's side.
Nice, Liam.
That's better.
Good job.
That actually makes sense now.
Killing it.
Seats.
Yeah, Liam, I don't think that's very safe, man.
Spill proof, and the gas tank's hooked in. I don't see why there's any problem. Oh, okay. Of course, we should have known it's not going to start also. We got to jump it. And then we can proceed for our drive here. We like to practice safety measures here at Life of Free and Breathe. So we don't have a windshield, but we got goggles.
Oh, it's killing them, man. Turn the heat on. Oh, that's good. That's real good. Oh, it's so cool. Dude, put your seatbelt on. Yeah. Yes.
Hey neighbors, why are they staring at us? Alright, this is a good time to mention, if you guys are looking to get focal goggles, these are the best goggles. I run for everything, for dirt bikes, four-wheelers, snowmobiles, and apparently driving Jeeps with no windshields. If you guys do want to pick these up, the link in the description is going to give you a percentage off and you can get them for a way cheaper price. They're my favorite goggles. They're super panoramic. They switch out really easily. You guys have seen me talk about them before, and you're gonna hear me talk about it a bunch of times, but just want to let you guys know, if you do want to get them, there is a discount code. All right, we'll give you a countdown.
3, 2, 1.
Successful run with not dying. That's always a plus. Jeez.
Shocked.
Yeah. Also, kind of looks like the brakes are smoking, but we also have 2 lug nuts. And I don't think, look at how loose those are. Dude, they're finger tight.
My God.
It's a miracle that we're all alive with these videos. That's probably what it is. I bet it's moving. Oh, look at this. What is that?
Let me get that.
What is that? Pouring out? Is that oil? Or is it power steering?
I don't know, man.
I don't know what that is either, but thank goodness we got someone who's CDL certified out here. Oh yeah, this dude's really living the dream right now. She's not going anywhere. Yeah, that's good. Good thing we finally got it to where we're just gonna unload it now. A little bit nervous about the tilting trailer function going backwards. Never done this, but
The battery had some juice in it.
she started.
Perfect.
Yeah. That's what I was afraid of. I almost said to go stand on it, but then I was like, it's heavy. It shouldn't, you know? Shouldn't do that. Yeah. Well, we should probably get this put away down in the barn here before whatever that is leaking finally runs out.
I think it's power steering.
I think power steering, and that's slightly important with this thing. So we should probably get her put away and then and let this thing rest until it gets shipped to Colorado. We're probably gonna need to clear some of that. Watch this, so the new fresh paint doesn't get ruined.
Oh, jeez, dude. Oh, trucker in 4.
Gotta put it in 4-wheel. Look. Alright, well, when we put it in forward, it won't go anywhere. Well, we should probably get this put away down in the barn here before whatever that is leaking finally runs out.
I think.
Okay. So plan B, we're gonna pull it in with a tractor because I don't know what is going on with that, but
Wow. Really getting it in the tank.
I don't know where the funnel is.
Score.
Alright, we should push her in now and then I can pull this out. I think I hit the garbage can over there or something.
That's fine.
A little bit. Watch that off.
Help me.
Alright, well guys, that is it for the Grand Wagoneer for the time being. The plan for this thing is next steps is, unfortunately it is going to sit, and I'm sure people are going to be pissed about that, but it's going to sit until I can get it on a transporter because I need to ship it to Colorado. And then once it gets out to Colorado, we will start moving on the sick stuff like the lift, the tires, the interior, speakers. We got a lot of really cool things, a lot of really cool companies lined up to do this build. So hope you guys kind of enjoyed this video, kind of showing what we could with it, even though it doesn't drive in forward now. And yeah, next time you see it, Colorado, baby.
Have any closing thoughts?
This sucks. I'm very hungry.
I gave you a turkey sandwich, man.
Oh, I forgot I had that.
Here at Life of Lamborghini, we provide safe and hospitable working environments. Don't let them tell you otherwise.
The wire dragging.
Look at the wire dragging.